welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make real authentic coconut milk. So for this you are going to be using one mature coconut. When you are purchasing your coconut, you want to make sure you shake it just so you can hear that there's some water in there. And you are going to be needing 4 cups of water in a blender and some type of hard object to break your coconut up with. You can use either a hammer or a heavy knife. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to get started, if you are interested in saving or drinking your coconut water, you can use a cork and just pierce the coconut. So just make sure you screw it in there. You can save or drink the coconut water. As you can see, some water is coming out, but I don't care to save the water, so I'm going to take a hammer and kind of blow on this. I learned this when I was little. They always blow on the coconut before cutting it. They say it makes cutting it a little easier, so I'm going to blow on it. It might get a little messy. You guys want to be very careful because this is a hammer. You don't want to hurt your hands, and it's going to get pretty loud, so I'm going to hit it just to break up the coconut. So turn it. I can hear that it's almost there. Again, you want to be careful you don't hit your hand during this process. And there it is. You can see all the waters coming out of my coconut. And it can be a little messy. Again, please be careful, guys, so you don't hurt your fingers. Oh, so I'm going to hit this one more time, or maybe not. So from there, you want to get a paring knife and go underneath the skin of your coconut because we want to take it out of the shell. And they will look like this, and this is the part that we are going to be using to blend. I don't do this often, but I do like using fresh coconut milk instead of buying the can. So every now and then I'll do this. So if you're one who don't like to buy canned stuff, you definitely can go ahead and do this. And of course, you guys know I use coconut milk when I make rice and peas, or I make curry coconut shrimp, which I have all those videos up on this channel for you guys. I will link them down below so you guys can check them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the coconut from the shell, and then we can start blending. Okay guys, once you've removed the coconut out of the shell, you want to go ahead and make sure you wash your coconut properly. This part here you definitely don't need, so you can go ahead and toss that. So you want to go ahead and clean your coconut properly, and we are going to cut them into pieces just small enough so that they can go in the blender. And you are going to be needing a strainer to strain your coconut milk. I forgot to mention that. So I'm going to take the pieces and put it right in my blender. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page and come follow me on Instagram and come snap with me on Snapchats, and also go follow my Twitter page. Guys, I'm trying to get those pages to grow, and you guys know without you guys nothing is possible. So I need you guys' help to grow that Instagram page, and please share that Facebook page with everybody that you do know. I really love and appreciate all the support I get from you guys. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check them out. So just continue cutting them into some big chunks. I'll probably have to do 2 blenders because I don't want to overload the first one. And I do have 2 coconuts in here, guys. I ended up showing you guys 1, but I am using 2 coconuts because I want to make enough of this to save some for at least 2 cooking. So I'm going to take my 4 cups of water, put it in my blender, and of course I'm going to plug in my blender, and we are going to blend this until the coconut is completely shredded. Basically, I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like. Alright guys, I already did the first one, but I wanted to come show you guys what the pulp will look like once you are done blending it. And I did blend this at the milkshake setting in my blender, so I'm going to go ahead and strain it, and I'm going to do another pass. So I'm going to blend this pulp one more time because I can see it still has some good coconut milk in the pulp. Doing this, guys, don't take time at all. If you don't like using the canned coconut milk, you can definitely do this. This is how they do it in Haiti because not too many people can find the can. We tend to do this in the States because we have the convenience of finding the coconut milk in can, but this don't take time at all. And this will definitely have your food taste better, especially if you are making rice and peas. As you can see, the milk is nice and thick. So I'm gonna set this to the side because I am going to blend it one more time, as I mentioned. But this is pretty much it. Coconut milk right from your kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.